The ribeye steaks are in the oven. The video cut off because I didn't have enough storage. So I have to start from the beginning. And we're going to put our baked beans in the oven, let them heat up. And then I made them homemade. I canned them myself. And then we got a can of peas. And that's what we're going to have tonight. So, we're going to put these in the oven right along with the steaks. We're going to take the steaks out right now. And turn them over. This one's mine. It has garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. And garlic. And this one just has pepper. And I think it has onion powder. Ain't much on that one. That's Ronnie's. Like I said, we've been in Hazard all day. We've not ate nothing. And we got them on sale today in Jenkins, Kentucky. So we're going to try them out. I hope they ain't tough as shoe leather. Y'all got to try that meatloaf that I made last night. That was good. And I mean real good. Ronnie ate 2 pieces and I ate 2 pieces. That Smart brand of peas. I'll have to find some butter. Just give me a second. That Smart butter. And our peas, all we're going to do is put some black pepper. And some salt. That's it. And a little bit of water. Now we're going to put them on low and let them cook. Low and slow till the steaks gets done and the baked beans. All the baked beans has to do is warm up because I canned them myself, so it don't take long for them to get done. We'll make a little salad tonight. It ain't going to be much of one, but we're going to have one. Y'all notice lately when you buy lettuce, it don't last long. My lettuce out back is getting real big, so I need to go pick it tomorrow. At least have a little bit of salad out of it tomorrow. I just bought that lettuce 2 nights ago and it's already trying to ruin on us. Okay, let me wash my lettuce off. And I'll see what else we can find to put in it. Be back when I wash all this. Got some tomatoes that we growed. They've already been washed. Ronnie said the steak smells good. I hope they are good. You gotta wonder for that cheap price we got them at. I think that's all we'll put in it tonight. Because I'm tired. I think they are done. We're going to call them done anyway. Get these peas warmed up and this meal will be done. We'll put ranch on our salad, if you can call it a salad tonight. If we even got any ranch, it looks like. And we got some of this. Look like it's about out too.
More.
Try to find the bacon bits. You want bacon bits? And some bacon bits. Our peas are done. We're going to turn them off. No, I got enough. Throw this big bottle away. Okay. About it. Okay. Got Ronnie's. Mine. And I gotta get the baked beans out now. Okay, let's get Ronnie some baked beans out. They got bacon already in them. And when I canned them up,
Looks delicious. No, just the joy, right?
don't forget your salad. Did you get your salad?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now let me get mine out. I baked them for about 30 minutes. This is what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Bye.